Hi, I'm Thomas Skelly. Today I'm going to show you an absolute uncut gem here in Hunters Hill, and you've got two opportunities with this one. One, you can renovate it to your heart's content, or two, build your dream home. This 1950s, mostly original, charming 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has separate formal living and dining areas, promising a tranquil lifestyle in a prime location. This well-presented residence is tucked away in a quiet street and shows lovely water views. The home is located a very short distance to parks, ferries and major roads to the CBD. Now that you've seen it, I know you're going to love it as much as I do. I look forward to meeting you at the open homes.